Okay, so there we have it. I am done with Sichuan rabbit with peanuts. It's called La Tude. Very popular delicacy in the province of Sichuan, right on the border with Chongqing. Can you see it? Let me point it out to those of you who can't see. My pointer. So there they are. Yeah, Sichuan and Chongqing right there. They're right next to each other. Alright, Sichuan is to the left, Chongqing is to the right. Chengdu is what I'm pointing at right now. It's notorious for making super hot food, right? This is in southern China. Okay, pull back, going closer. So this meal is a delicacy in this particular area. Alright, so these are two provinces, and Chengdu is in Sichuan province and Chongqing is a neighbor. Alright, and they both make this dish right here. So if you're ever in China, you go to a traditional Chinese restaurant or a Sichuan restaurant, you can ask for it. Alright, Sichuan rabbit with peanuts. Alright, so I got two rabbits and I nailed it. As you can see, I have some inscriptions on it showing you what type of adjustments that I made. Alright, so I share my recipes. There's a few twists in there that I didn't include, right? But you know, I gotta hold something back, right? So here's the finished product. That's what it looks like. Alright, and I made something else that is not on the list. This is lotus root. It's a delicacy, extremely healthy. Lotus is a very, very, very popular herb in China. It has many properties. Many, I mean the list is endless. Google it. Alright, lotus root comes from the water and it grows, and from it the lotus leaf and flower comes out of it. But the root stays submerged in the water, and yeah, and you can find it in what do you call it? Swamps, right? And mangrove swamps, and in all kinds of places all over China, and other parts of Southeast Asia as well. Right? So this is super hot, and this is sweet, so it offsets each other. Right? And I have some jasmine rice that's on the fire going as well, to round it all off. Alright, maybe I'll take a photograph of how I portion the meal later. But that's it. That's what I'm eating for this 25th December. I don't know, what are you eating? Bye. Peace.